To activate your card, start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. Next, click on the card option at the bottom of the screen, which will display all of your available cards. Scroll down and select the specific card you want to activate. Once you've selected the card, you'll see an option that asks if you've received it. Click on this to proceed. A window will pop up with an option to select. Choose the appropriate one. Then click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the expiration date, and set a new PIN. After entering your PIN, you'll be given the option to enable location protection, which you can choose to enable or skip. Once you've completed these steps, your card will be activated. The process is quick and easy, so following these steps should have your card up and running in no time.